He's running. He's scared, bro. He's running. Alright guys, so we have some paintball guns out here. Here's some guns where we might have a little war. Make sure some targets. Also got a smoke bomb. I'm gonna be doing a photography shoot later with that. And yes, you guys. Alright guys, so we have some paintball guns out here. Here's some guns where we might have a little war. Make sure some targets. Also got a smoke bomb. I'm gonna be doing a photography shoot later with that. And yes, you guys a bit.
Stand up.
What's up? Minion.
Yeah, you get him.
Stand up.
Jackie.
I'll wash it.
Paintball gang. Guys, got Pete out there versus Coco's over there. Smoke bomb.
Yeah. I'm waiting to get hit in the temple.
I know, yeah, I'm waiting to get sniped. Alright guys, so I just played and I couldn't get any footage. I didn't have my GoPro. Guys, I was playing against my dad. I got lit up both times because, I mean, wearing a white hoodie, because it's the only hoodie I had, and I wasn't thinking that we were going to be playing paintball or anything. So I wasn't thinking. I thought we were just get a hoodie just for warmth, but so yeah, that didn't help a lot. As you guys can see, it's very green, very white. Did not mix a lot, so it was very easily seen, but ran into some thorn bushes.
I love her so.
Yeah, the water bottle is the hardest thing.
Try that.
There we go. Put that one.
Good job, dude.
Hit that one.
You want me to turn this? Here, hold on.
There's one more over there.
Now it won't be that slippery.
That one.
Oh.
Yeah.
I wanted to give his mom.
Get it, baby. There we go.
There you go. Go for the green bottle, buddy.
Alright, so guys, right now, are you recording? Here, that wine bottle over there. I'm gonna hit that right there. Okay, so second try still doesn't hit it, so.
Got it.
Fifth try. Fifth try. Because guys, this gun right here, it's very inaccurate, so it's so good though. What else? There's a water bottle over here. Water bottle over there, next to that ginger ale. Hit that. Let's go, baby. Alright, that's it.
Pick it up, Juju. Pick up the gun up. Fire.
Look at getting shot at. He's like, shoot. He's like, shoot. Go, run! Run!
Get him, Juju. Get him. Watch out with a pen. You're going to break the hose. Get him, Juju.
He's running. He's scared. He's letting him move.
Look at him.
No way. Look at Juju's going in. He's going in.
You can't start now.
Well, let me get out there first.
Did he hit you?
No. Here.
Okay, can you get back there so I can run?
Here.
I'll follow you.
Be your follower.
With a cold take that I'm gonna get frostbite from.
Wait. Come back. I said wait. Let me get out there before you shoot me.
Tank holder.
Okay. Went forward.
Alright, don't Juju. Here, Juju, here, let me do it. Hold it, hold it. Alright, go. Stay there, stay still, stay right here. Quality YouTube content right here, boys and girls. He's running, he's scared, bro, he's running.
And over here.
What did you say? What did you call him? Stay right here, Juju, stay right here. Here, Juju. Okay, yeah, there you go, there you go. You're out. Juju. Alright guys, what's going on? It is Nico here, and today is the last day, and I think I'm gonna fill this into yesterday's vlog, just like the travel home, because we're not doing anything really exciting today that I can like name a title of a vlog. Like how yesterday, you know, like yesterday how Coco shot, or Juan shot Coco, which is his dad, with a paintball gun. Like that's a good title and all that stuff. But today is like just traveling home, nothing fun and exciting. So I'm just gonna throw this into yesterday's vlog, guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Well, right now we're actually packing up. Once we throw it into the truck and all that stuff, and we're out, then I will see you guys on the road. Alright guys, so we just finished up packing up the car. This is for all my stuff. So once everyone's stuff is good, we're on the road. So I'll tell you guys when we are actually driving. Alright guys, so we just started up the truck. We are heading out by to the cabin. I don't know if we'll be back here. We'll probably be back here sometime in the future.
Yeah, I hope so.
But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoy these vlogs, because I know this is gonna be 2 vlogs. I'm just gonna name them different things. I'm not gonna do no part 2 thing. So yeah. We're back home, and Lucky Bear just so excited. He is so excited that we were back home, and we were only gone 3 days or 2.5 days. It wasn't really that bad for him. My grandma was here watching him and, you know, feeding him and stuff like that, of course. But again guys, we are back home, so hopefully you guys enjoyed these weekend camping vlogs. If you guys want more of this, let me know down in the link in the description below, because we do have a video idea link in the description, as well as go comment any video ideas if you want to as well in the comment section down below. Anyway guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As always, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.